Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video what our business expenses. And if you're a self-employed and small business owner, you definitely want to be able to understand what our business expenses and how to determine inside your business which things qualify as business expenses for you that you can take that you might not even have a clue about. And so that's why you want to master and understand this publication 535 business expenses. And if you're the person who can't comprehend and interpret this information correctly and comfortable with confidence, then you definitely want to invest and work with someone who can help explain to you what are business expenses and what is ordinary necessary for your particular business. And only you can determine that. And that's the power of business expenses under the tax law, is that you determine what's ordinary necessary for your business that might not necessarily fall into the standard guidelines of what someone else might be doing as far as business expenses in the same business you may be doing. So that's why you want to be able to get a very good grip and master what business expenses are and how to determine that. And then you have someone out here who has a training that will teach you a framework that will help you get a better understanding of how to determine what a business expense is. And once you learn that framework, then you can sit back and determine what are business expenses inside your business and which ones I consider personal, which will save you a whole lot of trouble when it comes to the possible audit situation. Because when it comes to having a business, what gets a lot of people in trouble is taking business deductions that they don't even qualify for in the first place. And so you don't want to get caught up on the wrong side of the fence trying to deduct business expenses that you think are business expenses, but when really they personal expenses that has no business on a Schedule C, if you're a Schedule C filer, or on a 1065, or 1120S, or 1120, or LLC type deal, whatever the case may be, whatever business model you have, whatever business structure you have, you don't want to get caught putting different types of expenses inside your business that don't even qualify to be expense in the first place. So you must learn what that is or have the money to pay someone who's going to determine what the business expenses are for you inside your business based on how well you are doing in your business. And the key to write-offs is making money. So you can't come to someone talking about you got a business and you made $5,000 for the whole year and you crying about some write-offs. You don't have no write-offs. You know what I'm saying, that you can really talk about. And if you have any things that's going to put you in a negative, then that's going to cause a red flag because now you spending more money inside your business than you're making inside your business. And so after a while, the IRS has to look at you and ask, is this a hobby or not? Because if you don't start to make profits inside your business within the first 3 years, uh, they will determine that this is a hobby. You need to go home, find you something else to do with your life, figure out what you want to be when you grow up, and keep it moving. That's how it works. So when it comes to having a business, you can't show a negative number year after year after year and still think you have a business because it doesn't work that way. So when it's all said and done, if you need some assistance inside your business and you might not be the person that's looking to start a tax preparation business because I specialize in working with new business owners who want to start a tax preparation service, but that might not be you. But you might still be the person that needs some help with starting and growing the business, and you might need someone who can help point you in the right direction with the next steps to take, what types of tools and resources and software you need to have, and all the different things that are required for you to have a full-fledged business in place when it comes to the business structure, when it comes to business accounts, payment processes, record keeping requirements, all these different moving pieces inside of business you need to have in place uh, by the time you open up your doors to doing business. And you want to have that done so you can move around in confidence knowing that your business is fully set up properly and you have certain things in place to help protect you and the business from any possible lawsuits down the road because service-based business are more volatile when it comes to lawsuits versus retail-based businesses. And so if you need assistance with business, reach out to me. I'll leave my contact information inside all my videos. Give me permission to reach out so we can talk, chat, see if we're a good fit for working with one another, See if I'm the one who can help you start to grow a business and make it profitable and set you on your way to financial freedom and success, which is determined by you. Everybody doesn't need to make 6 figures or 7 figures to be financially free or financially successful. It's just not the goals and dreams and aspirations for everyone. So you determine what that is for you. And I definitely see you in my next video.